How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I will conduct my class for the student of class 8. Dear student, you know that you will not have to face your JS exam, but you will have to appear in the your school exam. So you should sound preparation for your school exam because your school will assess your answer script. So you should have a good preparation on every subject. Dear student, now now I will conduct my class for you. Today I shall show you a matching and a gap. So dear student, let's go to the gap at first. In question number in your English, in question number 7, you have to do a gap. So dear student, today I will solve the gaps. Let's go to the gap. Dear student, in this question, for this question mark is 5. So dear student, at first you should have a good vocabulary knowledge to solve this gap. Dear student, look, good manner is an inseparable part. Here, look, inseparable part, it's a blank. Here we can use of. Why we use of? Because education is a noun. Before a noun, we can't use of as a preposition. This is why we have use of. Next word, next sentence, the necessity of good manner. Necessity of good manner cannot be ignored. The subject of this sentence, necessity of good manner, it's a, dear students, it's a things. So if things, if the subject of a sentence be things, so we should use in passive mode. This is why this is of good manner, it's a subject, and be ignored. Be ignored is, be ignored, ignored is a verb, is it is in past participle mood. So here we can use cannot be. The necessity of good manner cannot be ignored. Rather, priority should be. Dear student, now I am going to book. Dear student, here go to book. Rather, priority should be. What kind of word here can we use to in this blanks number C? Rather, priority should be blanks to them. Please try to use you with me. Listen, what's what have you used here? Yes, here you can use given to them. Rather, priority should be given to them. Next word, to win love and blanks of others. Good manner is a. In D, what type word you can use? Dear student, please try to with me. Please tell me what words will you use here? Yes, love and ends as a word. Before and we have see love, and after and same type word can use here. So love and same type word, respect of others. To win love and respect, here we can use respect of others. Good manner is a. So here word will we use here, dear student?
Please. Again, you try to me in question number B. Please. Yes, here we can use must. So good manner is a must. Again, we will read the passage again. Please, you try to answer the question with me. Good manner is an inseparable part of education. Of here we can use of. The necessity of good manner cannot be ignored. Cannot here we can use cannot be ignored. Rather, priority should be given to them. Here we can use given. To win love and respect, here we can use respect of others. Good manner is blanks. Yes, must. So dear student, in this way you can solve your gap using suitable words to make a meaningful text. Dear student, you should have vocabulary knowledge must. Dear students, now I am going to matching. Question number 8. Match the part of sentence from columns A and B to make 5 complete sentence. Dear student, the word given in column A and you should match with the rest of the sentence.